it's moving almost a full 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah. I can't turn it, but
It's weight. Yeah, we put a wrench on it.
Hang on, what size? 15?
big one, crescent wrench.
They got
Well, he's
one.
got a nut